我是温，来自蒙古，我是上海第二工业大学留学生。对。Want you better romance, want you better romance. I want you ugly, I want you disease. I want your everything, you don't get to free. I want your love, 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 love. I want your love. I want you drown the third of your hand. Want you to let us start a kissing the sand. I want your love, 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 love. I want your love. You know that I want you, and you know that I need you. I want your bad, your bad romance. I want your love, and you need to let it down. I want your love. Baby working with that bitch crazy. Fashion baby working with that bitch crazy. Fashion baby working with that bitch crazy. Fashion baby working with that bitch baby. I want your love and I want your revenge. I want your love. I don't wanna be friends. Je donne l'amour, je donne l'amour, je donne l'amour. I don't wanna be friends. I don't wanna be friends. I don't wanna be friends. Want you better romance. Want you better
谢谢这一首载歌载舞的《Bad Romance》啊，好不好听？很好听哦。那接下来这个节目呢，跟这个反差会有点大，它是中国风，刚刚是欧美风。大家都知道，社区一直是参与精神文明创建的主要力量。今天在座的呢，就有不少来自社区的文明交通劝导、文则